Well, from routine cleanings to advanced treatments, SmileCOS Dentistry brings a wealth of expertise to every appointment. Let's check back in with Krista from the office where your oral health takes center stage. Krista!
Where are you looking at the camera?
Okay, so wealth of expertise. I think it's just scratching the surface here at SmileCOS. We're now joined with Dr. Darquea. He is the second dentist here at SmileCOS Dentistry, and he kind of is going to show us a little bit more about those things that they can do with the technology that they have here, the expertise, and really go into how they're able to help you understand your teeth better by using the technologies that you have around you. Isn't that right?
Absolutely. We have some models right here, some of the stuff that we print. If you guys are looking for veneers or a new smile, we can print it, you can see it, we can transfer it to your mouth, see what they're gonna look like.
Yeah.
If you're missing a tooth, a single tooth, or you want several implants, we create surgical guides, which helps the surgery be very, very precise. Grinding and clenching is more common than what you know. I wear one of these, is a night guard. It will protect your teeth so they don't become shorter.
Yeah.
And then
that's a real problem.
Yeah, very, very common. I cannot tell you how good this is. Like, I cannot sleep without it.
Yeah.
It does take some time to get used to it, though. If you're missing all of your teeth and looking for more something than just dentures, we place implants, and this is like what we call like an all-on-4 or a hybrid. This patient has 4 implants right there. Yeah. We put them on, and patients don't need to remove them. This one is for the upper teeth. We have this other model for a lower denture with 6 implants.
And that's what they clip into, correct?
Yep. So they clip into it and they forget it about it, and they're more like teeth than
just teeth,
that a denture.
That are in your mouth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We also need to talk a little bit about the way that you guys use your technology when it comes to X-ray, so that you're really getting that precise diagnosis of what's going on in the mouth.
Absolutely. We use this program. I mean, we look through X-rays, but this one really it's called second opinion, and it's a second opinion or a second set of eyes that the artificial intelligence goes and reads the X-ray, and it will point out some of those things. Now, these are my teeth, and I do need to floss better. It's the beginning of cavities. They don't need to be drilled. But I love to be able to show patients like the different part of the tooth, so it makes sense why we need to do this stuff.
Oh my gosh, yeah. And then the fact that you can see like where the nerve is too. So like if you're like, that's the cavity, it's not that bad, but then it starts creeping in there, you're like, hey, that's getting really deep.
Yeah.
We need to do something about that.
And then we have our hygienists going through X-rays with you, the doctors, and then the AI, so you really understand, because you play a big part of your oral health. I mean, we can only do so much, but we give you all the tools so that you can take control of your oral health.
And something interesting here too is you guys are able to offer some light sedation for those who might have anxiety about coming in and getting their teeth cleaned. I remember when I was little, the dentist, I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite place to go.
Oh, we hear that a lot, and we offer nitrous, which is really great, but if you're getting like extractions or implants or a root canal and you're really anxious, we do sedation, the IV sedation, so we get a vein, we give you all the good meds, and we monitor, and you sleep, we work, you wake up, and we're done.
Yeah, I'm here for that. Yeah. Kind of takes the whole anxiety out of everything.
Yes, yes.
What is one thing you want to leave our viewers with here with SmileCOS Dentistry?
Like Dr. Miller mentioned, we take care of our patients. We do a lot of things in-house, so we want to keep you here so we don't have to refer you, or we love that communication so that we are aware of where your oral health is. So we treat our patients like family with kindness and honesty. That's kind of hard to find.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for sharing a little bit more about SmileCOS and what you guys do here and how you're really able to help people take on their oral health to another level. Thank you.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, we're here at SmileCOS Dentistry. They are taking some new patients in, so make sure you head to that phone number that you saw on your screen a little earlier. Give them a call, see if this is the place for you. Jen.
Krista.
Nova.
It's Nova. I just want to ask, treat your patients like family as well, with honesty as well. Do you like going to the dentist? I need to ask you this. Are you a dentist? Do you like going to the dentist?
Yeah, so like when I was little, like the dentist was not my thing. I didn't really like them like in my teeth all that much, but I did like the lollipop they gave you at the end, and if you were a good person, you got to go to the treasure box when I was little, so kind of made it a little easier. The older I got and the more I realized how much like your smile matters and what your teeth matter, I was like, okay, wait, I actually like you guys. You guys are doing some good stuff for me.
Wonderful, wonderful. Krista, thank you so much for this morning, and special thanks to our friends at SmileCOS Dentistry. And this segment is sponsored by COS Smile Dentistry.